Virtual tour 2506 Fortune lower unit. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Here's the first bedroom. Nice and private if you want your privacy. The closet's right there. So you have that. And here's your kitchen, nice big kitchen. Dining room, living room. Bathroom's right here. Here's your bedroom. Another one, second one. Nice, good sized bedroom there. Get your own patio on the front that you can sit on when you want to, in the fall, summer, and spring. So you can see there, you have your own private one there. And then also you have another bedroom here. So it's a nice house, all newly painted. It's got new plug switches and lights. It's got a vinyl windows and a nice. Let's go downstairs here. So you can see here, this is a nice area for storage or whatever. You do have laundry down here for the first floor. The second floor has its own laundry. So right there's your laundry. Just a nice place. Privacy, glass block windows. Just a lot of space down here. So again, this is your bottom unit, 2506 Fortune virtual tour. Thanks.